Good morning. Welcome to my beautiful bungalow. This is a 1950s bungalow that we purchased in 2018, and one of the first things we did was to redo the garden. So I'm going to give you a little tour of our home. Those are two Chinese snowballs with a red maple behind it. Absolutely gorgeous at this time of year. Beautiful. And this is a weeping cherry that gets beautiful pink blossoms. And going over to the garden bed, that's a lavender sun passion and a lemon coral sedum by Proven Winners. And we repeat that all the way down the front of the garden bed. And right behind that, we have some soft touch holly, which is great because it stays mounded like this and needs no pruning or trimming. Has a nice organic shape and won't get too tall for the front of the bed. Then we have a Dusty Miller, which we just pruned back about a third of. And he definitely wants to be the star of the garden at the moment. Behind that, we have a Proven Winner Scentlandia Spirea that gets the most amazing fragrance. And next to that, we have a false holly. And both of these, the Spirea in the fall turns a gorgeous color of red. And this also gets a deeper shade with some red and golden leaves. This is some phlox, more spireas, and next to the spireas, or behind the spireas, are some Almond Joy sedum, beautiful pink blossoms, another Dusty Miller, more false holly. Our phlox is really coming up quite large, but it does not last that long, so it's nice to have the big bloom of color. And then we cut it back and we'll get another bloom. And we have some echinacea back there on either side of the Dusty Miller. Those get nice and tall. Another sedum, and that is a Bobo hydrangea by Proven Winners. Another false holly. And if we look up, that is a window box that Doug built for me. And it's very simple. He's going to do a tutorial on how to do that. And in there we have some Super Bells in white by Proven Winners. We have some Goldilocks Creeping Jenny by Proven Winners. We have a double pink and white petunia. It's a wave petunia. We have some Bacopa in white. We have a solid pink double petunia, a wave petunia, and then it just repeats down the box. And behind that we have some coleus and some sun patiens, which I'll show you from the top. Flowers and bushes. The differences on this side, we have an Invincible Blush by Proven Winners. Some more echinacea. This is a flowering hibiscus that was on clearance at Lowe's for $3 that I'm attempting to save. And this is an old lawnmower that Doug turned into a planter for me. We found the lawnmower at a flea market and he thought he could make a nice planter out of it. And in here we have pink and white double petunias and some white sun patiens. All of this concrete will be being replaced soon by brick walkway. And as we go up, we have our white pots going up the steps. This is a Color Blaze Coleus series by Proven Winners. That's a white sun patient. This is a pink wave petunia with a coleus, and that will spill over the side of the wall. And we have the double pink petunias that will also spill over, a white sun patient, and a fireworks grass. That should get nice and tall. That's a white sun patient. And we have our hanging basket that is ready to start spilling over the side. You can see the top of the window box and all the things in the back that are going to start sprouting up. Unfortunately, in New Jersey, we've had a very cold spring so far. That is a double pink impatient. And of course a fern. And this is our porch. Victorian birdhouse with a lavender bacopa. Those pink pillows are inside pillows. We could not find that pink in outdoor pillows. And that's the rest of our front porch. My daughter painted that sign for us. And that is an old Victorian oil lamp post. That's how they used to. That's our garden. And hopefully you'll come along with us as we transform the back the way that we did the front. And that is not as pretty, but we'll get there. We hope you enjoyed our tour of our gardens, and we hope to see you next time. Make it a great day.